Live Paint is a way to create colored drawing, and in order to use the Live Paint feature, first you need to convert your artwork to Live Paint groups, which then allows you to color them freely. The Live Paint bucket tool is located in the group of Shape Builder tool, so click and hold on the Shape Builder tool to open up the pop-out menu to access the Live Paint bucket tool. Here in this artboard, I have drawn simple circles to show you the use of Live Paint bucket. First, select the shape using the selection tool and now press K on the keyboard or choose the Live Paint bucket tool. So once you have selected the Live Paint tool, just click once on the artwork to make it a Live Paint group. So you will see these three squares at the top of the cursor. Currently, the left box has a pattern fill, middle has no fill, and right has a white fill. If you open up the swatches panel, you will find that these colors are taken from here. So if I choose this red, then you will find black, red and yellow in the same order as they appear in the color swatch. You can cycle between different colors that are present in your swatch by just pressing the right or left arrow key. The color at the center is the color that will be applied when you click, so do note that. Now if I click on this area, I can easily color them, and I can also change the color by pressing the left or right arrow at the same time while painting. So this makes it very easy to paint on a shape. Not only you can fill a region using the Live Paint bucket tool, you can also fill the stroke color. To do so, just press Shift on the keyboard and now you will find the cursor changes. And now you have to just take the cursor over the stroke and click. And if you want to change the color, you can press the right or left arrow key while holding down the Shift key as well. You can further customize the behavior of Live Paint bucket tool. So just double click on the Live Paint bucket tool. Here there are some properties that you can change. The paint fill option is checked, which means you can use the Live Paint to fill any shape. Here the paint stroke option is not checked. That's why you have to press the Shift key to paint the strokes on the shape. So if you check this option also, then you don't have to press the Shift key to color the stroke. So if you move your mouse over the stroke, the cursor will automatically change and you can change the stroke color. And if you uncheck the cursor box preview option, then you won't see the three boxes that appear over the cursor. But I like to have it, so I'll check it. Now under the highlight option, you can change the highlight color or width of the highlight. So by default, the highlight is red. So if I change this to magenta, now the highlight is of magenta color. You can also change the highlight width if you like. Now let's take a look at the Live Paint selection tool. This tool is also located in the group of Shape Builder tool, and it allows you to select objects that are in Live Paint group. So here I have drawn some basic shape and I have converted these shape to a Live Paint bucket group before using the Live Paint selection tool. So select the Live Paint selection tool and now you can hover your mouse to any region and just click on it to select it. Say I want to remove this line, so I can just simply select it, and by pressing delete, this part of the line will be deleted and not the entire line. So using this tool, you can also create some complex shape if you like. Not only I can delete the shape, I can also change its property. So I can change the stroke of this line as well, select it and increase the stroke. So this is all about the Live Paint bucket tool and Live selection tool.